Question 20. An analysis of DNA and RNA sequences can be used to classify organisms. A phylogenetic tree, such as the one shown below here, is based on molecular data. It can be used to represent evolutionary relationships within a group of organisms that are hypothesized to have descended from a common ancestor. So this is our phylogenetic tree here. We are looking at evolutionary relationships, and we know that these organisms have descended from a common ancestor. And our question is, which statement is best supported by the information in the phylogenetic tree? So, best supported. So, all these answer choices, I have to get my information from this tree here. And let's go ahead and look at them. Our first one saying lesser pandas are more genetically similar to giant pandas than they are to raccoons. Well, lesser pandas and giant pandas, I mean, they're next to each other, but it doesn't mean that they're next to each other in the tree. I really have to examine what this tree is showing me. And looking at this, and I can kind of trace, if I'm looking at lesser pandas and raccoons, I can trace down here, and I know that they share a common ancestor right about here. But with the giant panda, I have to trace all the way through here and then branch back around. So I'm going to say lesser pandas are actually more related to, or genetically similar to, the raccoon than to the lesser pandas. So I'm going to get rid of answer A here. Now, my next option is brown bears are more genetically similar to giant pandas than they are to sun bears, where brown bears and sun bears are really similar, and brown bears and giant pandas go all the way down here, so that's out. Sorry, giant pandas. Get rid of that. Now, lesser pandas are more genetically similar to raccoons than they are to giant pandas. Well, we just traced that out, and we saw that that is true. I'll go ahead and read answer choice D, though. We always read through all the answer choices. The bear species are all more genetically similar to dogs than they are to giant pandas. Well, no, because some are related to giant pandas. So, no. Get out of here. D. So, my only answer choice here is C.